Hello and welcome to Al Hadi Learning Center. Today I will be talking about decimals. So let's get started. What are decimals? Decimals are a part of whole numbers. They are used to separate whole numbers from tens. Decimals are really useful if you want to say between 5 and 6, but need to know where in between. For example, if we want to say between 5 and 6 and we write 5.5 is the number in between 5 and 6, it means this number 5.5 is bigger than 5 but less than 6. This Z dot is decimal point, a point that separates whole numbers from tens. Just as you have ones, tens, hundreds and thousands in whole numbers and so on, you have tens, hundreds and thousands in decimals. Decimals go in the opposite direction to the whole numbers. In a decimal, the first number after the decimal point, the tenths. Remember, it's tenths. We don't have units in decimals. So the first number would be tenth. Tenths would be bigger than the next number after the decimal point, which would be a hundredths. The first number after the decimal point is always the biggest. The further away the number, the smaller it is. I will explain that in an example. For example, if you have number 17.591, it means the number is more than 17 and less than 18. So let's label it. 7 is our ones and this is our tens. It means this 10 is 10 times bigger than this 7. And then our decimal point, 5 is our tens. As I told you earlier, there is no ones in decimals. So the first number is tens, then hundreds and then thousands. It means that this tenth is bigger than this hundreds because this 9 is 10 times smaller than this tens and this thousands is 10 times smaller than this hundreds. So thousands is smaller than hundreds and hundreds is smaller than tens. How to work out the decimals? So using decimals is pretty straightforward. All you have to do is remember where the decimal point is going to go. For example, if we have a number 5.5 adds 3.2. First of all, we have to add our tens. As I told you earlier, the first number after decimal point is tens. So 5 adds 2 equals 7, then our decimal point, and then our whole number, integers. 5 add 3 equals 8. Another example, 9.6 subtract 4.1. So first of all, we have to work out our tens. 6 take away 1 is 5, then our decimal points underneath the decimal points, then we have to take away the whole number, which is 9 take away 4 equals 5.5. Here is a top tip for you. To make things easier, you can add a 0.0 after the whole number to remind yourself of the decimal rule. For example, if you have one whole number and you have to add a decimal number in it, what would we do? We can add 0.0 to make it decimal because the rule is we have to add tens into tens and the whole numbers into whole numbers. So it's only whole number, no decimal with it. So to make it decimal, we add extra 0.0 in it. So first of all, we have to add our tens. 5 add 0 equal 5, decimal point. Whole 10 add 5 equals 15, so 5.50. That's how you work out the decimals. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thanks for watching.